Wakey, 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 it's time for school. Come on. Wake up, it's time for school. Come on, man. Are you ready for school?
Rawr. Yoo-hoo! Want a treat?
Zip? Who's your best friend? Is it Zavala? Who's your best friend?
Give me your butt. Give me your butt.
Okay, let's be happier about it, okay? Speak. Speak.
One more time. Tell me what to do. Wee. 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 One more time. Wee.
You know his winter coat is coming. Let me do it. No, I want to show. Sorry.
Who let the dogs out? Who let the dogs out? Who let the dogs?
Unbelievable. No. What are you doing? So now I can't even put stuff up there? I'm looking right at you.
If you have a dog, turn your volume up to see what their reaction will be for the following sounds. Or don't, I can't really tell you what to do.
That I see each morning.
It all started when my mom met my dad, and they fell in love, and they had me. Hi, I'm Ryan, and my life, it's kind of crazy.
This is my favorite dog challenge. Gasp at your dog and see what they do. Gasp dramatically.
Who is the goofiest? Who sheds the most? Who is the craziest? Who is the most handsome?
And you were my baby. It started when we were younger. You were my boo.
Sunny, come on. Sunny, do it. Come on, Dad. Sunny, come.
You're my honey bun, sugar plum, pumpy umby umpkin. You're my sweetie pie. You're my cupcake, gumdrop, snickums, spickums. You're the apple of my eye. And I love you so, and I want you to know that I'll always be right here. And I